Hiya folks, JD here, and today I'm going to be answering a couple of questions to do with the SJRC Z5. Now, I've been asked via email whether this particular quadcopter, because of its price point, whether it can be used as whether it's a viable quadcopter for videography. So rather than just replying back and saying, no, I don't think so, let me take you through why I don't think it can be used as such. Now, first of all, what you're doing is you're watching this particular raw output from the SJRC Z5. This is in 1080p, recorded directly to the SD card as raw footage. Now, as you can see here, it's quite whitewashed. There's no clarity, there's no quality. You can't differentiate the sky, the different clouds, the patterns. It pretty much is just a whitewash. Now, that, well, it really isn't any better when you're standing in front of it either. You still look very blurred when you're up close also. Now, it's because of those reasons, because you don't have the clarity, because you don't have the quality and there's no depth to the video, you can't actually use it. I don't think you can use it as a viable quadcopter for video. What I'm going to do now is show you the comparison with my GoPro Hero session. This is recorded at 1080p, recorded at the same day, at the same time, so you can see exactly what the GoPro records like. Now, as you can see, it pretty much is night and day. You've got the quality of the quadcopter, you've got the spinning motors. Even with the motors spinning, you can still differentiate both of the motors, both of the propellers. You can see the trees, you can see the different colours of the trees, you can see the different colours of the grass, you can see the different colours of the sky. You've got that clarity and you've got that quality straight out of the box. Now, what I'm going to do now is do a side-by-side comparison of the SJRC versus the GoPro. Now, this is recorded at the same time on the same day, and you can see exactly what these two videos look like. So there we go. So as I say, on the left you've got the SJRC Z5 1080p output, and on the right you've got the GoPro Session Hero 1080p output there. Now, it's night and day, I think, and I personally think if you're going to be looking for a quadcopter which is going to be used solely for video, you at least want it to look like the right, like the GoPro. Now, when you have that quality and the clarity, it brings so much more magic to the video, and I don't think you have that with the left video whatsoever. So, in short, my friends, to answer the questions on the emails, do I think this quadcopter can be used as a video quadcopter? No, I don't. Not straight out of the box either. It sits at a great price point. It's got fantastic stability, but that lens, it needs to be better in order for it to be an actual contender for a toy-grade quadcopter videography drone. Now, going back to just the 1080p, as you can see, even the trees look very, very pixelated. There's no quality there. Once again, yeah, I don't think this can be. So for the rest of this video, I'm just going to show you exactly what it looks like as 1080p output from my GoPro. So there we are, my friends. I hope this has answered some of your questions. Thank you ever so much for watching and listening. I've been JD. You've been fantastic as always. If you haven't already, please like and subscribe. Hello and welcome to all the new subscribers. I hope you're enjoying the channel. So until next time, my friends, happy flying.